Quick video time. I'm about to head up to Daytona Bike Week on Monday. Today's Friday. Okay. However, one of my windshield bolts stripped or whatever, because I keep changing my windshields out. For whatever reason, if this happens to you, I'm going to show you what you need to do. First, roll the intro. This is the thing. Now, this is probably specific to the Road Glide, at least my year, 2020. I don't know if there's other workarounds. I know you could change the nuts in there somehow on other models. I don't think you can on this, but on this, you have what's called a speaker pod, which everybody, if you're taking your fairing off, you know what it is. That's what houses the speaker. So to get to this, which you really can't see too well here, but I can't get to get to that. I gotta pull my fairing off, which I'm gonna do real quick, and you have to change the speaker pod. Now, I just ordered new speaker pods. Okay, these are the speaker pods. This is how they come. I ordered it from Amazon. It's like $105 for the set. Now, is it as good as the OEM? I don't know. It seems the same. It's well made, but there's one caveat to this. This is the problem. Your two windshield screws. So this mounts like this. Your two windshield screws are here and over here. They're not the standard size when you order from Amazon. This is a perfect fit. However, this is a 1024 screw. I'll show you that again later. The ones that come with your stock Road Glide are 1032s. So they don't fit. And that's how I end up breaking one of those. So anyway, I'm going to show you an easy way to do this. Now if you look at this, it's mounted like that. You don't have to take the whole speaker pod off. If your nut breaks here, all you need to do is take out each one of these screws here. Let me try to get into the light here. Okay, all you need to do is take out each one of these screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 screws all together. You take out all 7 screws, this half comes off. On this half is this screw. Now, if your back screw breaks, you're gonna have to take the whole speaker pod out of the fairing and put the whole thing back in. What I'm going to show you now is just taking these 7 screws, or how many screws? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 screws, they come right out with a cordless screwdriver if you want. Pop that out, pop the new one in with this, you're good to go. You're making bacon. I don't know why I said that. Alright, so anyway, I'm going to pop off the fairing. I'm going to pop this in, put my windshield back on. It's pretty simple. It only takes a few minutes. So, I don't know if you've seen all the upgrades, but I gotta fix this. So, okay, with the outer speaker pod off, the inner is still in place. It's very simple. We're just gonna bolt them back in, and we're good to go. And we'll change. Like I said, this is the back nut, so that stays where it is. The one that I stripped was on this side. I'm gonna put the new speaker pod on, and we're good to go. It's an Amazon part. Matches up perfectly. Just got to screw them back in with those 7 screws, and you're good to go. And you got a brand new screws. Put your windshield back on. It's that simple. Let's put this back together and see where we're at. All right, all done. I had to make some modifications because of my situation, because I have that recessed skull. I should have showed you that, but I just wanted to show you simply how you just swap it out, put it all back together. Screws are on now. It's all good. A simple, quick video. If you strip one of those screws, that's how you do it. In my opinion, that's how you do it. Buy a speaker pod, get it on Amazon. They're cheap, $105 for the set. And you just swap out half of it, unless the whole thing, if it depends on which one's broken. But it's pretty easy. And it works. So, until the next video, heading to Daytona. Maybe I'll see you there. I'm gonna wear like a Real Ron TV shirt, so you might actually recognize me. All two fans of mine. Actually, I'm approaching 1,000 subscribers. So by the time you see this, I might be at 1,000, which means I might make like a penny or two a day, and maybe even a sponsorship. Doubt it. I don't do it for that. I do it to help you. And big video coming up with all my final upgrades. So I'm about to put a 124 kit in this, and that's it. I'm done. Believe it or not, I am done. There's nothing else I want to do on this bike. So stay tuned for that one, and I'll see you up in Daytona.